right, so today we have a new unboxing or a new opening. We went to Pop Mart this weekend and we got something special. Let's see what it is. It is a complete set with Hirono. So this is the Hirono. This is the 7th series. This series is called Le Petit Prince. So it's a full set. If we read the bottom here, it says, all grown-ups were children first, but few of them remember it. So there are 12 different figures in here. There is a chance to get the special one, but we'll see. Maybe we'll get it, maybe not. Let's see what's inside. All right, here we go. Go. All right, so here we go. Box number 1. We have 12. Okay. All right, first one is open. Let's see what's inside. Again, we don't have any of this set. This is interesting. Not sure what that is just yet, but let's see. All right. Let's see here. So he is called the Merchant. Stick him right over here carefully with his pill. All right, let's look at the next one. Box number 2. Let's see what's inside. First one was the Merchant. He's still holding his pill. That's good. Next one we have. Here we have another stand for him. Let's take this out real quickly. Forgot to put that in the box. We have the stand here. All right, let's see. And here he is. Oh, wow. He's got kind of a snake around him, it looks like, with an apple on his head. He's called the Snake. He is called the Snake. Surprise, surprise, look. See, he's got a snake around him. It also says on the card, it says, it is also lonely among men. So it is also lonely among men. And we have the snake. We have the Merchant and the Snake. Oh, wouldn't it be great if we got the special or the secret? All right, here we go. Let's get this one open. Third box. I think we got it almost there. Yep. Yes. There we go. Third box. Let's see what's inside. So this time, there. Here we go. Box number 3. And he's upside down. Let's put him back up. And this one, he's got a fox on his head. I can't even see his face. The fox has completely surrounded his face. You can only just see one of Hirono's eyes. So let's get his stand on before we find out exactly what this one is called. Again, I really like it when they have stands. It makes it so much easier. They don't fall over. He's got the front with the fox. If we look around, he's got the back. You can see the fox tail wrapped around him as well. So the fox is sleeping. So he's just sleeping on top of him. I don't know how he can do that, but he is sleeping. So this one is called the fox. So we have the snake here, the fox here, the merchant here. So this one says, if you see the little card here, says, what is essential is invisible to the eye. What is essential is invisible to the eye. All right, and we have the fox. Now box number 4. Let's see what's in here. Bottom. Let's see here. All right, we got it open. Let's see what's inside. A little bit more glue. There we go. And here we go. Box number 4. Here he is. Box number 4. So we can see in the back, he's got some books on his head with a little hat on top of the books. He looks like he's reading and possibly writing something. He is called the geographer. So if we look up here. All right. Okay, box number 5. Okay, there we go. Box number 5 is open. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, here we go. He's got his little cape on. This one is actually the little prince. Stick him over there where I don't touch him. Geographer is gonna go to sleep now. All right, box number 6. Here we are, box number 6. Okay, here we go, box number 6. It is open. All right. One seems a little bit bigger and heavier. They're all kind of big and heavy. So let's see. This one looks, at least from the back, it just looks like a very big rose. It's a very big rose. And he's got a vine going all the way around him. I'm probably wrong. I was right. He is the rose. He is the rose. Box number 6. That was box number 6. We have the rose. Box number 7. One thing I've noticed with this particular set is every single box, they use a lot more glue to close the box. All right, this one is interesting. Let's see what it is. This is box number 7. Wow. So he is called the lamp lighter. the lamp lighter. Makes sense because I guess he uses this staff to light the different lanterns. So it says at the top here, those are the orders. Lamp lighter, those are the orders. All right, box number 8. We haven't hit the secret one yet. Box number 8. All right. Box number 8. Whew. It looks like he's got a robe on. This robe has like stars, different things like that. So he is called the King. So it is in order. All right, we have the King. There we go, it's open. That would be so nice if it was that easy for all of them. All right, here we go. Let's see what this one is. Here he is. So this one looks like he kind of got a little calculator here. He's got a phone in his hand. He's got some, let me get this tape off. This looks like looks like almost like he's an accountant. All right, here we go. You can see all the way around. He is called the businessman. All right. All right, here we go. Box number 10. Got his stand. Don't know which one this is, but let's see. There he is. We have this guy here. He's got a big top hat on. It's so big that it goes over his whole head and he has to see out of the top of the hat. All right, yeah, we have a very good standing one here. He is called the conceited man. The conceited man. Now, box number 11. 2 more boxes. 2 more boxes to see if we can get both the secret and the super secret in the last 2 boxes. Let's see. All right, it is open. Let's see. Don't know what's in here yet. Let's see. Can't see anything. And if we look, he's got some wrenches in the front there. He's got a light on top of his head. So let's see here. He is called the Switchman. Let's see here, the Switchman. All right, here we go, last box. All right, I think it's open. Yep. And let's see here. Who knows? We'll see. What is this one? He doesn't look very energetic right now. He is called the Tippler. He is called the Tippler. All right, so we have the complete set here. We have the merchant, we have the snake, the fox, the little prince, the king, the lamplighter, the rose, the geographer, this one's the conceited man. This one is the businessman. Yeah, this one is the switchman, and this one is the tippler. So we have the full set here from Le Petit Prince Hirono series number 7.